How do I wash my face? How do I wash my face?
Use warm water and a little soap. Use warm water and a little soap.
Where's the TV remote? Where's the TV remote?
Look between the sofa cushions. Look between the sofa cushions.
Can I use the computer? Can I use the computer?
Yes, for 30 minutes only. Yes, for 30 minutes only.
Why do we recycle? Why do we recycle?
To help keep our planet clean. To help keep our planet clean.
Where do dirty clothes go? Where do dirty clothes go?
Put them in the laundry basket. Put them in the laundry basket.
Can I go to bed later? Can I go to bed later?
No, you need enough sleep for school. No, you need enough sleep for school.
How do I brush my teeth properly? How do I brush my teeth properly?
Brush in small circles for 2 minutes. Brush in small circles for 2 minutes.
Where's the toilet paper? Where's the toilet paper?
Under the sink in the bathroom. Under the sink in the bathroom.
Can I walk the dog? Can I walk the dog?
Yes, but stay on our street. Yes, but stay on our street.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading the newspaper. I'm reading the newspaper.
How do I turn off the TV? How do I turn off the TV?
Press the red button on the remote. Press the red button on the remote.
Where are the towels? Where are the towels?
The clean towels are in the linen closet. The clean towels are in the linen closet.
Can I have a snack? Can I have a snack?
Yes, fruit or yogurt is good. Yes, fruit or yogurt is good.
Do I need to take a bath? Do I need to take a bath?
Yes, you're dirty after playing outside. Yes, you're dirty after playing outside.
Where are my pajamas? Where are my pajamas?
Your pajamas are under your pillow. Your pajamas are under your pillow.
Can I feed the cat? Can I feed the cat?
Yes, her food is in the cabinet. Yes, her food is in the cabinet.
How do I water the plants? How do I water the plants?
Just a small amount of water is enough. Just a small amount of water is enough.
Where's the dustpan? Where's the dustpan?
The dustpan is next to the broom. The dustpan is next to the broom.
Can I answer the phone? Can I answer the phone?
Yes, but tell me who is calling. Yes, but tell me who is calling.
Why is the floor wet? Why is the floor wet?
I just mopped it, be careful. I just mopped it, be careful.
Where do we keep the tools? Where do we keep the tools?
The tools are in the garage. The tools are in the garage.
Can I turn on the heater? Can I turn on the heater?
Yes, it's getting cold in here. Yes, it's getting cold in here.
How do I lock the door? How do I lock the door?
Turn the key twice to the right. Turn the key twice to the right.
Where is your wallet? Where is your wallet?
My wallet is on the dresser. My wallet is on the dresser.
Can I close the curtains? Can I close the curtains?
Yes, it's getting dark outside. Yes, it's getting dark outside.
What day is today? What day is today?
Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday.
How do I set the clock? How do I set the clock?
Press the button and turn the dial. Press the button and turn the dial.
Where's the first aid kit? Where's the first aid kit?
The first aid kit is in the kitchen drawer. The first aid kit is in the kitchen drawer.
Can I play in the garden? Can I play in the garden?
Yes, but wear your jacket. Yes, but wear your jacket.
How do I change the light bulb? How do I change the light bulb?
First, make sure the switch is off. First, make sure the switch is off.
Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses?
Your glasses are on your desk. Your glasses are on your desk.
Can I turn on the fan? Can I turn on the fan?
Yes, it's very hot today. Yes, it's very hot today.
What should I do with the mail? What should I do with the mail?
Put it on the table by the door. Put it on the table by the door.
How do I clean my room? How do I clean my room?
Start by picking up your toys. Start by picking up your toys.
Where's the vacuum cleaner? Where's the vacuum cleaner?
The vacuum cleaner is in the hallway closet. The vacuum cleaner is in the hallway closet.
Can I have a glass of milk? Can I have a glass of milk?
Yes, the milk is in the fridge. Yes, the milk is in the fridge.
How do I put on my shoes? How do I put on my shoes?
Sit down and pull them on slowly. Sit down and pull them on slowly.
Where's the trash bag? Where's the trash bag?
The trash bags are under the sink. The trash bags are under the sink.
Can I use your scissors? Can I use your scissors?
No, use the children's scissors instead. No, use the children's scissors instead.
Why is the door locked? Why is the door locked?
For safety when we're not home. For safety when we're not home.
Where's the laundry soap? Where's the laundry soap?
The laundry soap is next to the washing machine. The laundry soap is next to the washing machine.
Can I have a cookie now? Can I have a cookie now?
After lunch, not before. After lunch, not before.
How do you make coffee? How do you make coffee?
Add hot water to the coffee grounds. Add hot water to the coffee grounds.
Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes?
Your shoes are by the front door. Your shoes are by the front door.
Can I take a shower? Can I take a shower?
Yes, don't forget to use a towel. Yes, don't forget to use a towel.
What's that noise? What's that noise?
It's just the washing machine. It's just the washing machine.
How do I turn on the lamp? How do I turn on the lamp?
Just push the switch on the cord. Just push the switch on the cord.
Where's my toothbrush? Where's my toothbrush?
Your toothbrush is in the bathroom cabinet. Your toothbrush is in the bathroom cabinet.
Can I call Grandma? Can I call Grandma?
Yes, after we finish dinner. Yes, after we finish dinner.
Why is the room so dark? Why is the room so dark?
Because the curtains are closed. Because the curtains are closed.
Where's the soap? Where's the soap?
The soap is next to the sink. The soap is next to the sink.
Can I wear my new shoes? Can I wear my new shoes?
Yes, for the family dinner tonight. Yes, for the family dinner tonight.
How do I set the table properly? How do I set the table properly?
Fork on the left, knife and spoon on the right. Fork on the left, knife and spoon on the right.
Where's the shopping list? Where's the shopping list?
The shopping list is on the fridge. The shopping list is on the fridge.
Can I help with dinner? Can I help with dinner?
Yes, you can wash the potatoes. Yes, you can wash the potatoes.
What time should I go to bed? What time should I go to bed?
At 8:30 on school nights. At 8:30 on school nights.
How do I change the channel? How do I change the channel?
Use the up and down buttons on the remote. Use the up and down buttons on the remote.
Where's the dog food? Where's the dog food?
The dog food is in the pantry. The dog food is in the pantry.
Can I use the bathroom? Can I use the bathroom?
Yes, don't forget to wash your hands after. Yes, don't forget to wash your hands after.
Why do I need to brush my teeth? Why do I need to brush my teeth?
To keep them healthy and strong. To keep them healthy and strong.
Where are the car keys? Where are the car keys?
The car keys are on the hook by the door. The car keys are on the hook by the door.
Can I go to bed now? Can I go to bed now?
Yes, if you're feeling tired. Yes, if you're feeling tired.
How do I plug in the charger? How do I plug in the charger?
Just put it into the wall socket. Just put it into the wall socket.
Where's my school bag? Where's my school bag?
Your school bag is in the hallway. Your school bag is in the hallway.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, please return it when you're done. Yes, please return it when you're done.
Why is it so quiet? Why is it so quiet?
Everyone is reading or resting. Everyone is reading or resting.
Where should I put my coat? Where should I put my coat?
Hang your coat on the hook. Hang your coat on the hook.
Can I sleep in your bed tonight? Can I sleep in your bed tonight?
No, you should sleep in your own bed. No, you should sleep in your own bed.
How do I turn off the lights? How do I turn off the lights?
Just flip the switch down. Just flip the switch down.
Where's my hat? Where's my hat?
Your hat is on the coat rack. Your hat is on the coat rack.
Can I have a story before bed? Can I have a story before bed?
Yes, pick a short book from your shelf. Yes, pick a short book from your shelf.
What's that smell? What's that smell?
I'm baking bread in the oven. I'm baking bread in the oven.
How do I heat my food? How do I heat my food?
Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute.
Where are the batteries? Where are the batteries?
The batteries are in the kitchen drawer. The batteries are in the kitchen drawer.
Can I eat in my room? Can I eat in my room?
No, we always eat at the table. No, we always eat at the table.
Why is the window open? Why is the window open?
To let fresh air into the house. To let fresh air into the house.
Where's my homework? Where's my homework?
Your homework is in your folder. Your homework is in your folder.
Can I invite a friend over? Can I invite a friend over?
Yes, on Saturday afternoon. Yes, on Saturday afternoon.
How do I make my sandwich? How do I make my sandwich?
Put cheese between 2 slices of bread. Put cheese between 2 slices of bread.
Where's the salt? Where's the salt?
The salt is on the dining table. The salt is on the dining table.